link me. And I make me know say, if I try arrange for me do the rest of my sentence as house arrest.
Which house?
The same house where them take me from.
For real? You
Yeah.
serious, babe?
Yeah. Him said, for just give him about 2 months to sort out the necessary paperwork and get everything in place. You see?
If I ask you, baby, will you set me free? Will you come for me? If I ask you, baby, will you set me free? Baby, you can hold me, caress it, be there for me. I'll be your one and only. It's on me, it's on me. Our love and it goes so deep. I won't make you feel lonely. I'll give you something holy. It's lovely, it's lovely. Will you come for me? If I ask you, baby, will you set me free? Will you come for me? If I ask you, baby, will you set me
Boy,
free?
I would eat a cow and a calf right now. So good news make people hungry.
So you're gonna look after some food for me too?
Radcliffe,
Why go on, Genevieve? You don't miss me.
Radcliffe, how you find me?
So you did hide from me?
What do you mean by me I hide?
Cause you disappeared from off the face of the earth.
Come back to Jamaica to take care of some business.
I'm not even a word.
You did that on the run.
So that gave the right to abandon your man.
Radcliffe, you have to get it in your head. Me and you, not there again.
For real? So how me never get that memo there?
Me did tell you so me can't manage a lifestyle anymore, man.
Which lifestyle? You mean the one where you get rich out of?
You get rich. Definitely not me.
Brother, what's mine is yours. Living at the mansions, I drive the high-paced vehicle and I spend millions a week.
That I did before me find out what you did, you know.
But you stay with me for 3 years after that and you help me move whole heap of stuff.
That wasn't by will, Radcliffe. You forced me to do it. Me never want to do it.
Hey, you know, not easy, you know. When things nice, you not complain, you know. But as things start go bad, you start bad.
What you want with me, Radcliffe?
Why a member say, you owe me
Who you want?
your life. Because I'm only pattern sleep it.
You saved my life? You mean me nearly lose my life enough time because of you? Bad man try for me? Feds try for me? If me never smart, me lose my life long time, you know. Listen, Radcliffe, you don't have no more control over my life, so just leave, you know. Radcliffe, please.
How we a fool you? How we a deal? My girl, even though we're not legally married, till death do us part. You and your friend them never want a poor boy or no hustler. But the high life you did want, well that come with a price.
Radcliffe, look here.
Shut
now.
your mouth, me a talk. When things did good, they did it. You use my money and come out to come start business. And now that me drop off a farm a little bit, you gonna try diss me? You must be mad.
Radcliffe, 6 times in 3 years, you're getting a serious trouble. I'm dead there with you. All when the feds them run in pan way, me never leave your side. But it get too dangerous for me.
So the thing set, my girl. It comes with the territory.
So what you really want from me, Radcliffe?
I just need a place to tuck in for a while. Link with that brother to deal a project while I'm there.
Radcliffe, I can't stay here.
Why, you have a man?
Yeah. No, I mean,
A picnic?
not really. But sometimes the kids them from the community come stay with me, especially the one them when I have nowhere to live.
See, I run a community outreach program now.
You know me did always want to come back to Jamaica, come help the community. That's my passion. You know me love the kids them.
So you use my money, open bar, and a build entertainment complex.
My money, Rod. That's a money where me earn and nearly lose my life for.
So you have money before you're dead with me?
No.
Exactly. That means my money you use under that.
Rod, may I beg you please. We will help you find somewhere and we will even pay feed for you. But I can't stay here.
Pay for me. Jenny, my money still tall. Oh, we just need a place for go and cool out for a big car. I can't buzzle and bling out like one time. Can't draw no attention to myself. Yeah? Your money and monkey money. You don't need that.
Might as well you kill me now, because you can't stay here.
I'm not gonna kill you. I could just wish you were dead. With enough time for you. And the feds them still want other people over in my operation. And you're supposed to know, say, they're gonna extradite you, and you're gonna stand trial, and you're gonna lose everything you have in your heart. So you need to think about that.
Say that you really do that, Radcliffe?
You want to test me? Just need someone to stay for a couple months. That's so nice to you. Hello, boss.
Yeah, Rod.
Good girl. Go and look after some food for me.